Good morning children. Today we will solve our question number second in exercise 10.2. So here you have to given that this problem in the adjoining figure P parallel to Q and R is a transversal. If angle phi is equal to 60 degree, then find the measures of all the remaining angles. So here you have given a figure in which two straight parallel lines P and Q intersecting by a straight line small r. Solution. Here you see P parallel to Q, R is a transversal. Here R is a transversal line, and if angle phi is equal to 60 degree, then B have to find all the remaining angles. Here you have to given that angle phi is equal to 60 degree. Then if this angle is equal to 60 degree, so we have to find all the remaining angles. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 because of alternating interior angles. Here angle 5 is the alternating interior angle of angle 3. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 60 degree. Okay. And also angle 4 is equal to angle 6 because of alternate interior angles. So implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 5 because of corresponding angles, and you know already that corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 7 because of alternate exterior angles. So also angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 60 degree. Then from here implies that angle 1 also is equal to angle 7 also equal to 60 degree because of alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay. So we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair angles. So angle 1 you have to get that already. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Then 60 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So from here angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. Then angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. From here we find that angle 2 is equal to angle 6 because of corresponding angles are equal. So angle 6 also is equal to 120 degree because of angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now here angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is equal to 120 degree because of alternate interior angles. Here you know, see that angle 4 and angle 6 is alternating interior angles, and you know already that alternating interior angles are same. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6, and now you have given already angle 2 is equal to angle 6. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is equal to 180 degree because of alternate interior angles. Okay. From here angle 4 is equal to angle 8 is equal to 120 degree because of corresponding angles. So solve the remaining angles. Okay. Again we see it. Here you have given a figure P, Q, two straight parallel lines, and now from here also you have given that an intersecting lines, straight lines, small r. And we know that P parallel to Q and R is a transversal line, and P parallel to Q. Okay. So implies that angle phi is equal to 60 degree. This is given that already. So we know that angle 3 is also equal to angle 5 because of alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. So here from implies that angle 1 is equal to also angle 5. So also equal to 60 degree because of corresponding angles are equal. Here angle 1 also angle 5 because of corresponding angles are equal. And now from here angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 7 because of alternate exterior angles, and you know that alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles. This is the alternate exterior of 7, and this angle 2 is also the alternate exterior of angle 8. Okay. And now from here we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, because of linear pair angles. So 60 you have already given that here angle 1 is equal to angle 7 equal to 60 degree. Then 60 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now from here angle 2 is equal to, by transposing method, 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. And so you know already angle 2 is equal to angle 6 because of corresponding angles, and angle 4 is equal to angle 6 because of alternate interior angles, and also angle 4 is equal to angle 8 because of corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are also equal, so 120 degree. Now in question number 3, in the following figures M parallel to M and N is a transversal, find the values of x and y and z. Okay, so you have given here a figure, this figure. In this figure you see here L and M, two parallel straight lines, and an intersecting lines intersect these two lines at distinct point and also form an angle x, y 105 degree and z. Okay, so solution, y is equal to 105 degree, you have also given that already, and we know that from this figure that alternate angles, interior alternate angles are also equal. So angle y is equal to 105 degree because of alternating angles, and alternating angles are also equal. So we know that from here that angle x is also equal to angle y, angle x is also equal to angle y because of corresponding angles are equal, and also angle x is the corresponding angle of angle y. Okay, so x is equal to y is equal to 105 degree. Now again we have to find out z. So angle z also equal to 105 degree because of corresponding angle z is equal to 105 degree, and also alternate exterior angles are also equal. So angle x is equal to angle z. Angle x is equal to angle z is equal to 105 degree. Alternate exterior angles are equal because of alternate exterior angle. And now again you have given a figure number B. In this figure you see here M and M are two straight parallel lines, and now an intersecting lines, small n intersect these two parallel lines at distinct point and form angle x, y, z and 40 degree. Okay, so here we see that angle y is equal to angle 40 degree because of alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, now from here angle z is equal to also 40 degree because of corresponding angles of angle 40 degree. Okay, so corresponding angles are equal, so angle z is equal to 40 degree. We know that angle x plus angle 40 degree, angle x plus 40 degree is also 180 degree because of linear pair angles. So angle x is equal to 180 minus 40 by transposing is equal to 140 degree. This is the angle x value. This is the value of angle x. Value of angle x is equals to also 140 degree. Okay, now from this figure, here you have given a figure in part 3, figure C. So you know here M and L also two parallel lines, and N and intersecting lines intersect these two parallel lines at distinct points. Here you have given an angle 120 degree, and now also found angle x, y and z. So you have to solve it, and you have to find the value of x, y and z. Okay, so solution, angle y is equal to 120 degree because of corresponding angles. Okay, here 120 degree is the corresponding angle of y, and we know that already that corresponding angles are equal. Okay, from here angle x is equal to angle y because of in exterior alternate angles. This is the exterior and alternate angles of y. So x is also exterior alternate angles of y. So we know that already that exterior alternate angles are equal. So x is equal to angle y, and from here we already find that y is equal to 120 degree because of corresponding angles. So angle x is equal to y. So also y is equal to 120 degree because of alternate exterior angles. Okay. From here we have to find out now angle z. So find out z. We know that already angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair angles. So angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Now from here angle z is equal to 180 degree minus angle y because of transpose this and put the value of y in this equation. So 180 minus y is equal to, also you have given that 120, then 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So you have find out the solving equation this you get here angle Z is equal to angle 60 degree. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. Now from in question number 4, L, M, two parallel lines and these two parallel lines are intersected by a parallel straight line small m and found the angle AB. So solution, you have given that here. You have given that here in the question. Angle A is equal to 2x minus 8 degree and angle B is equal to 3x minus 7 degree. Okay. So we find here angle A and angle B. The value of angle A and angle B we have to find this. So M parallel to M and M is the intersecting lines. N is the transversal lines. Okay. So here angle A you have already given that here 2x minus 8 degree and angle B is equal to 3x minus 7 degree. You have given that. So we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So 2x, putting the value of angle A and angle B on this place, 2x minus 8 plus B 3x minus 7 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Here we add 2x plus 3x by 5x minus 8 minus 7 minus 15 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Here 5x is equal to 180 degree plus 15 by transposing method. So 5x is equal to 195 degree. Then x is equal to 195 degree upon 5. So we cancel out this 5 3 is 15, 4 5 45, then 5 9 is 45. Then we have to find out this angle and so by solving we get x is equal to 39 degree. Okay. From here angle A is equal to 2x minus 8 degree. So putting the value of x in this numeral, so 2 into 39 minus 8. So we get from here 78 minus 8 degree is equal to 70 degree. And now from B, here you have also given that B is equal to 3x minus 7 degree. So B is equal to 3x minus 7 degree is equal to 3 into 39 minus 7 degree. Putting the value of x is equal to 39. So we find here 117 minus 7 degree, so is equal to 110 degree. So angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle B is equal to 110 degree. Okay. So this is the solution of your problem 4 and you have to again solve problem 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. Okay. Now time is over and we stop here writing. So these above problems we solve next day. Thank you.